Designing socks on Printify is pretty easy thing too. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can correctly design a product or correctly design socks that should sell out on Printify. So for that, you need to be at the Printify. You need to log into your account first. As you guys can see, I'm at the dashboard. Now here you have to click on this catalog. I'm going to click on this men's cloth, and I'm going to click on this shoes, or whatever I do, I can search that as well. So I'm going to search for socks. I'm going to search for socks, and I'm going to enter it, and I'll be able to see all the socks that I can customize. So you need to select according to your choice. Suppose I want to customize these socks, so I'm going to click on this start designing. Now here, this is the designer that will help me design the socks. It totally depends upon my creativity, however I can. There are different things that you can use. You can put the images from Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, or you can also put it from your device. You can also use the AI image generator, add text. Just be creative with it and design a stunning socks. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.